Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a quick, easy pizza. Maybe in 30 minutes. I don't think it takes like longer than that. Possibly an hour. Yeah, maybe it does take longer. But I'm gonna show you guys how to do a quick pizza dish. With store-bought dough, store-bought tomato sauce, some spinach, some chicken. We're gonna add some ricotta cheese and some other goodies on it. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is what you need: the Pillsbury dough. Crust, I love using it because it's already like pre-made, and you just gotta put it on a pan. Some extra virgin olive oil or any type of olive oil, or you can use butter as well. So yeah, grease that pan, grease it real nice. And you also need hand sanitizer, must have. Wash your little nasty hands. Come on, man, get on it. Get on up. Okay, my man looking at me all right. So now you want to roll the piece of dough out on the pan so it can just be flat. And I like to just add extra olive oil on it on top so it can get a little brown when I put it in the oven. Then you just gotta, I like to poke some holes in it just to, I don't know, keep it flat. It doesn't puff up as much. You know, it keeps it nice and kind of flat, but it still puffs up a little bit, but not OD'd. Okay, so now it's time for my favorite part. In the oven it goes. All right, guys, so I got my dough here. What we're gonna do is just add this tomato sauce on there. Add the tomato. Microwavy. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do is add some little Italian like seasoning situation. Is this Italian seasoning? This is not Italian seasoning, this is chives. Lord, pray for me. We're gonna add some pepper. I'm sure I'm about to sneeze after this. You don't see it? Okay, I get it. We're gonna add some garlic. And I'm obsessed with this truffle salt now. So I have this white truffle salt, and it is amazing. So we're gonna add some truffle salt. Okay. And my eyes, I still can see.
What I'm just adjusting it for you.
So lastly, we're just gonna add a little sugar because I love a little sweet, savory tomato sauce. Bam, bam, bam. Next comes the cheese. This is just regular cheese that I got from Target. So what we're gonna do is, I don't have a lot of cheese because I used these on my peppers and I didn't think about getting more cheese, which was kind of dumb on my part. So, oh, I just noticed something, guys. Let's actually put the spinach down now. And you don't gotta be perfect, like just have some grilled chopped up chopped up chicken, as you see, and I put some lemon juice, some extra virgin olive oil, truffle salt, lemon. We just wanted to wake the pizza up with this delicious lemony chicken. Okay. Chicken, get your chicken here. Chicken, get your chicken here. Cheesy feet. Should I have got more cheese? Possibly. But can this work? Yes. It definitely can work because we are gonna use every last drop of cheese. And we also adding like ricotta cheese on it as well. So last time I made this, I put the ricotta cheese on it too soon, and what happened was it created a lot of liquid. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit more truffle salt just to get on the greens, the spinach. Oh, I'm worried about it being salty. It's not gonna be salty, just to let you guys know. Because I know that's what you're saying. So we like it hot in here. We like it hot in the home. We like it hot in the home. So what we're gonna do is add crushed red pepper. Why not, y'all? This is gonna be a delicious, healthy, yummy, yummy tummy in your tummy pizza. And I know we're not going super healthy because we are still using regular cheese and we also are still using regular dough, but this is called healthy pizza for our house. So mind your business over there, all right? So like I said, we about to put this in the oven real quick and let it cook, let it do its little juice. And then we be back and we see how this comes out. Ooh, y'all getting to the pizza. She's your queen to be queen. I should have cleaned up a little bit for you guys before coming back on. Now, all right, guys. So what we want to do now, we're gonna take the ricotta cheese. So, and let's also put a little bit more seasoning on it, just garlic and some oregano and parsley and stuff like that. So here you have it. My homemade pizza. So we're gonna taste this pizza. First of all, I love pizza that got a little crunch to it. The ricotta adds like a little sweet and zing taste to it. And then you got the spinach. Then you got the tomato sauce that got the little sugar in it. Then you got the lemony seasoned good ass chicken. Pizza is the bomb. Guys, I'm about to tear this shit up. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and comment below. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.